we're back to learning Photoshop in here, day 328. We'll go over the preferences for the guides, grids, and the slices right here. These are simply design adjustments, so you can change the colors of them and the style. Usually the style is a closed, a regular line, a dash, or a dotted line. This goes for canvas, artboard, then the smart guides, these little guides that always pop up here and there. And then you can adjust the thickness here for the hover layer bounds. For the grid though, there are a couple of additional features because here you can set the thickness of the grid and even adjust the subdivisions. So this is an important preference to know. When you want to adjust the grid, you can do that right here. But the other adjustments I think are pretty self-explanatory. It's just the colors, and as I've said, the style, sometimes here and there the thickness, so nothing special. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.